Samira! Samira! What? Samira! You okay?
What do we have here? Now relax, relax, lover boy. How did you find this place? Ah, it doesn't matter. You made it easier for me to kill both of you. What are you waiting for? No! Hey! Hold on, please. What is this? Wait. Please, do not wait. No, now, hold on. I have seen this mark somewhere. Hold on, please. Very long time ago. No. It can't be. It can't be him!
You almost killed him. The evil in you will not allow you to recognize your own blood.
My love, please be patient with me. My father has threatened to haunt you and the baby if I didn't get married to Princess of the Chalo Kingdom.
Then what is going to happen to me? Am I just going to be remembered as the maid you got pregnant and discarded her?
No. I mean, you mean more than that to me. No. You are my first love and my last love. Getting married to the princess is a duty. Please, no. Just stay at the house I prepared for you. Just have the baby there. I promise to take care of you and the baby.
My prince, I can't. I can't live like a prisoner. I deserve more. I deserve better.
And I will give you more. Just be patient with me until I become the king. I promise I will give you and our baby the respect you both deserve. Just wait and see. Okay? Just come.
My prince, I can't.
Please.
I can't do this. I can't live this way.
My friend, please, I need your help. This is my first seed and cannot be abandoned. I mean, if I take him to the palace with me, my father will see this as my biggest failure and disappointment. I want your wife to help me raise him as your son. Show him love and care. No one, not even him, should know that I am his father. He must live like a commoner. That is the only way he will be safe.
Your Highness, are you sure? Cutting ties with your flesh and blood will not be that easy.
Knowing fully well that my child is in the hands of my friend and most trusted people, is the only way I will be focused on duty. Please love him and raise him to be a strong and reliable man. I may need him one day, but not without your consent. This is a request from a friend to another, not a command from a royal prince.
You can always count on us. I will take good care of him as my son. If anybody asks me when my wife took in, I know what to tell them.
Thank you very much. I trust you.
You don't have my son? Is it possible? Precious Jesus. Hey! No, God! No, this is not true! This is the child we had! When I was a maid in the palace and you were still a prince then. The child I threw away long time ago because I couldn't take care of him. Donald. Now I see. So this is the reason we are alike. We behave alike. The same mannerism. Now don't do it. No, God. Jesus. Help me, Lord. Jesus.
You? My mother? I know you are an ambitious fellow and I can do anything funny at any time. That was why I bet someone to follow you around. Yet you fall into the trap and cannot recognize your own blood.
Aren't you wicked, your majesty? Look at my son. You wanted me to kill my son just like a total stranger. How could you gamble with the life of my son like that? Donna, let me touch you, please. Jesus.
Hello, DPO. Please come in with your boys. Yes.
How many times have I warned you not to summon me this way?
But you came.
Why are you speaking to me in such a manner? Have you forgotten your status?
How can I have forgotten when you don't cease to remind me how worthless I am? How could you, Prince Sado? How could you inflict such pain on a human? How could you?
Well, that is a very merciful punishment to such a commoner like him. And by the way, why are you standing by his side? I mean, you have never questioned my authorities or any of my actions, so why now? Oh, I hope you are not falling in love with this commoner that makes you to stand out for him.
Prince Sado, I beg you, please, do not hurt him furthermore. I will do whatever you want, but don't hurt him again.
I have big plans for you. From my personal maid to my mistress. I would have made you my wife, though you're a commoner. But you can be my concubine. I think that is enough for you.
There is trouble in the kingdom. There is trouble in our kingdom.
Your Majesty, you don't look good at all. This physician did not even say anything. But I don't know if he told you something. What's the matter?
He said nothing looks good. My head worsens. And my heart might stop breathing at any moment.
That's not true. Your Majesty, please don't talk like that. We'll find a solution to this illness. I assure you, you're going to live long in good health.
My queen, you're a woman of faith. And that was what attracted me to you. And I made you my queen. Even at that, as we pray for the best, we should also prepare our minds for the worst. Because anything might happen at any time.
Your Majesty, please. I don't like the way you're sounding, please. You're beginning to scare me. Like I said, nothing will happen to you, I assure you. Alright, just in case, what would you have me do in preparation for the future plans?
Summon the kingmaker. Let him come, and I shall brief him what to do next.
Alright, I will do as you said. You'll be fine.
Oh no. Thank you for responding to my summon as quick as you can.
Your Majesty, may you continue to reign in supreme. May you live long. I receive your message with assurance of heart, at least to know and to hear what my king has to say.
My great advisor and old friend. As you can see, I'm sick and my health worsens every day. No solution in sight. And no one knows the time permanent departure to the other side of life. So I need to do what needs to be done. Because the air that I breathe now is just like a gift. It must not be taken for granted. I need to do everything possible to secure the kingdom and the royal family.
Hey, my king, command me to do what exactly you want me to do. Sorry.
I want you to summon the chiefs so that we can discuss the coronation of my son, the prince.
If I may ask, Your Majesty, do you think that the Crown Prince is ready to reign in your instant? See that, in fact, everything is coming out sudden. And I'm not seeing any readiness in him because he has not gotten enough training.
That is if we have the time. We don't have such time. Oh yes. He is my son. My blood runs in him. Oh yes. Lion begats lion. I am of the confidence that he will deliver and do better than me that did serve to my family.
I will do exactly what you want me to do, my king. Igwe.
He's making moves. And this is what I have waited for all my life, when he will quit the throne. Now he wants his first son to rule after him.
He is the crown prince. And who else do you think that will reign after the king if not the crown prince?
My son, of course. That was the original plan. And I want you to make it work at all costs.
It will not be easy. It can only happen when we get our hands dirty.
Oh, come on, are you the one saying this? Getting our hands dirty is your area of specialty. Have you forgotten that? It will not just benefit only me. It will also make you come close to becoming the most powerful man in this kingdom if Sado becomes a king.
I will do exactly what you want me to do.
Beautiful.
Just come to me. I've really missed you.
We are talking about something very important here, and you are saying you've missed me. I beg your pardon. Now you better get to work. Let's make this work. Let Sado become the king. Then, I might be in the mood to come close to you. One more thing here. Do not forget that I am still the queen. I decide when to come close to you and not the other way around.
Forgive me, Your Majesty. I acted out of place, and that will never happen again.
Apology accepted. You get to walk immediately. Bring the crown to Sado.
Greetings, my prince. Is someone home?
Why are you putting on a frowning face? Are you not happy that I summoned you? Come on, Samira, you should have considered yourself a lucky girl for having someone like me. I mean, the almighty Prince Sado, the mover of mountain. You should be happy and consider yourself special amongst every other girls. You know, such opportunity doesn't come always. And you are lucky that I summoned you after all.
What do you want from me, Prince Sado?
What I want from you is you. These sexy eyes. The sweet lips. The pointed nose. Your ears. The hairs. Your neck. These two bubbles. And the waist. This is what a prince loves to eat. Hmm? The waist, everything about you is just so straight. Hold this. Look away. Look there. Relax. You will love it. You will love it.
Please excuse us. Son, what a pleasant surprise. You've come to join me to catch some air. Let me ask you to get your seat, madam.
Son? You just called me son? You must be joking. Well, I've never considered you to be my mother. And I will not do such. You are just my father's wife. I'm the queen of this kingdom. So I beg you to stick to that. Well, I'm here to inform you about your ambition to take power and control it through your miscreant of a son, Sado, that it will not work. Never.
Prince, your words are quite instigating and very insulting. I'm not liking it at all. I don't blame you. And what even gave you the impression that I, Queen, want to covet your crown for my son? What?
Well, I don't want to go down history, but I'm tempted to do so. So, tell me, which one should we go first? Is it the way you planned my mother's death? You eliminated the queen, the first queen of this kingdom, just to take her crown? Or is it about your secret meetings and your evil plots? Which one? Come on.
Prince, I want you to understand the deep and grave accusations you're leveling against me is quite intense. Very soon you will become the crowned king. I want you to understand that you will be accountable for your words. Are you ready? Now I'm asking you, do you have the evidence of all the allegations you're leveling against me? Do you?
Well, you ask of evidence, and evidence I shall bring to you. And by then, I will make sure you pay for all the evil that you've committed in this kingdom. Everything. Evil.
Now you better watch your tongue, young man.
Mother, how could you let him talk to you in such a disrespectful manner? Who is he, by the way, to talk to you like that?
Reduce your voice. Please, son. Okay? He is still the crown prince of this kingdom. You have to talk to him respectfully.
What? Mother. Mother, what he said, is that true?
Well, it depends on what you heard, son. And what are you talking about?
Mother, I'm talking about him saying you killed the first queen just to take her position. Is that true, Mother?
And what do you think? No, I'm asking you as my son, what do you think? Now, do you think your mom is capable of such evil? I'm asking you.
No, Mother.
Good.
No. But then you shouldn't have allowed him to talk to you in such a disrespectful manner. As a matter of fact, I'm going there to teach him the lesson of his life.
No! Wait. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, relax. Now, how many times have I told you to be of good behavior and shun violence? Now, the only way to address this insult is for you to work hard and become the king of this kingdom. Now, when you become the king of this kingdom, it makes me automatically the queen mother. Then watch out how everything will play, every other thing now doesn't matter.
Hey.
Mama. Mama, why are you doing this now? Ngozi, you know the state of your health. Why are you going to the farm? Did I ask you?
I only went to bring some cassava to make some abacha for you, eh?
Mama, please. I beg you in the name of God, Biko. Don't go to the farm again. What if something happened to you there? What would I say? How will I start?
Nothing will happen to me. Huh? Let me assist you.
Assist me? I wasn't asking for your assistance.
Hey.
Biko, don't assist me. Allow me to do it for you. Don't you want to stay alive and see my children? Me get married and grandchildren littered everywhere in this house.
Oh, Zugo, I will be alive. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. Oh?
You'll be around only if you leave this thing.
Take those things inside. Oh, Biko.
Let me take them to the backyard.
Okay.
I've told you. Stop going to the farm. I did not send you. One day now when you go there and collapse now.
I cannot just sit doing nothing. Go.
Find somebody to.
I can see you enjoy my company lately. Or shall I say, you have a thing in your heart for me. You have love in your heart for your father's wife. Hmm?
You wish, Your Majesty. I have some interesting news for you. You asked for evidence, and I'm very close to revealing everything. Now tell me, are you ready to face the consequences of your action?
Come on. I believe you have royal blood running through your veins and arteries. Royals don't talk too much. Maybe you don't know or you're not well trained. The belief in commanding an action does it. Well, if you feel you have substantial evidence against me over your mom's death, the first queen, why am I not chained?
Well, a very good question. You see, why you're still free and walking around is because I want an evidence that is sucker punch. Yes, the one that will hit you to the ground, that you will not be able to rise again. And guess what I discovered? The place you went to and who you went to see. The day the Queen Mother, the first queen of this kingdom, died.
The crown prince needs to be taken out. And very fast.
I said we have to play dirty. But I never considered the possibility of killing, if that is what you mean by taking out.
I know going to Estrin wasn't our initial plan. But listen to me. He has chewed more than he can swallow, believe me. I want to force it down his throat for him to be gone forever.
What has he done to you this time? I've never seen you so desperate.
Everything. He has done everything. He wants to pin the death of the late queen on me. And he's aware that I am interested in taking the crown.
So how do you propose he's taken out?
Just disguise his death to look like accident or suicide. I hope you can forgive me, Father. The burden is too much for me to carry, so I decided to quit. Your son. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Thank you. Somebody help, please. Somebody help. Your Majesty. The physician said you relapsed as a result of the immense shock. But that if you can give yourself rest for a few hours, that you'll be fine.
How can I be fine? I just lost my first son. I don't believe my son can commit suicide.
Your Majesty, truth be told, your son was never happy. Honestly speaking, since he lost his mom, I never saw smiles on his face, and I tried as much as possible to make him feel good, to make him at least see me as a second mom. But no, he refused. Rather, he was threatening to kill himself. And that's what he did.
So he confided all this fight to you and you kept them away from me. Don't you know I should have been your help?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I'm sorry he committed suicide finally, but I am not regretting for not telling you. Because of your health. Please, I need you to be alive. I'm not saying that I wished him dead, but you know.
No, I don't believe this. My son cannot commit suicide. I must get to the root of this matter.
It's okay, Your Majesty, just relax. You need rest, I assure you. I will help you find out what happened to our late prince, how he died and everything. I will help you.
My old friend and my king. You see, I couldn't live with the rest chiefs because I wanted to be here for you. Knowing that your heart is heavy over the sudden death of the crown prince. But I need you to be strong because your duty as a king and a supreme ruler has no break. I understand what you're saying. But I'm also a father who lost his first son and the heir apparent. Am I not entitled to mourn him even for a day? You are the king, Your Majesty. You do whatever you like. Who dare question the king? The people need you. You are not just a father to your son, but a father to the entire subject. Your Majesty, you need to be strong.
Looks like you have something to tell me. Go ahead and say it.
You see, Your Majesty, my duty in this royal house is to make sure that succession is carried out without chaos and anarchy. In the absence of the crown prince, you need to name another heir to the throne. At least we have Sado, Prince Sado, the son of the queen. You can name him the next heir to the throne.
My friend, I've had you. Let me sleep over my thoughts and take a decision. Be rest assured, I shall get back to you and to the rest of the chiefs in good time.
Hey, you're here. I'm ready.
Mama, you're ready for? You're not telling me where you're going to.
You're not listening. I said I'm going to see a friend who is grieving. Yeah?
Mama, wait.
Yeah.
A friend who is grieving. Is the person male or female? Let me know. I don't understand.
Yeah. I will hit your head. Kebo and Kebo is the person a male or female? You saw the kwagema?
Mama, please. I am not a child. So you now keep secret now. You now keep secret to yourself because you know if you tell me, I will not approve it. That's why you're keeping it to yourself.
Why are you interrogating me?
Why
are you interrogating me? Bia,
Mama Gwanom, tell me. Eh?
Stay out of trouble. I will be back in a few days.
Mama, so you are keeping secret now? Eh? If what you are doing it, Mama, one day,
You're just coming now. I've been under this mango tree waiting for you for hours and you're just showing up now. I swear I wouldn't have forgiven you if the prince had met me here.
Are you scared of the prince? I can see that all over you. No, if you are, I can go and meet the prince right now and tell him off.
Tell him off? Why would you do a thing like that? Endangering your life and that of your mother. How is that going to help? Making me run around begging for your life.
Samira, you are my best friend. And you are my responsibility. See, I do not mind taking a few strokes of cane just because of you. To send him a very strong message.
Why? How do you see me? You think I'm a weakling? I'm a wuss? I can fight for myself.
The things you have refused to tell me, even up till now. Huh? Oh my God. Why are women around me so secretive?
You have a girlfriend now?
My mother. She's my one and only lover. I think she's now keeping a secret. A very deep one. Do you know my mother travels for days and come back with a lot of money? Name it, food, riches, necklace, jewelries. I mean, who gave it to her? See, I have this extent in my mind right now telling me that she has a boyfriend. And she's keeping him a secret from me.
If she's keeping him a secret, I think you should respect that.
Oh, come on.
I mean, you should learn to respect people's privacy. Maybe she doesn't want to bring him out in public.
Are you alright? At this point of her age? No. My mother cannot disgrace me like that. Eh? How do you want it to seem like I'm seeing my mom with another man playing love at my age? Come on. I did not raise my mother like that.
You are just suspecting, okay? It's not a fact yet. Greetings, Your Highness.
Your greetings are quite warm, but your eyes look so cold. Are you not happy to see me?
Who am I that my feelings should matter to you? I'm a nobody, and my feelings are useless.
Well, I'm glad you know. Well, I'm here because I'm curious.
Curious about what?
What you did to me that made me want to possess you badly. Samira, I wanted to get prepared and come to the palace. I wanted to be my personal maid.
Well, I don't have any interest in becoming a palace maid.
It's not an option for you to make a choice. It's a command. I really want you to. Don't you! My friend, what are you waiting for? Will you pick it immediately?
Sorry, my prince.
See you at the palace.
My queen, Steve will be coming back from the state any moment from now. I need to climb the heir to the throne.
Steve?
Yes.
Why do you want Steve to come back? I mean, he has lived all his life overseas. Or is he not aware why you want him to return?
Every son of a king knows that someday he will become a king.
Come on. Your Majesty, allow this boy, who has lived his life like a commoner overseas, You have Sado. Sado is here. You have grown Sado. You raised Sado just like your own son. Why don't you ground Sado?
You and I know that I love Sado very much.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
But the fact still remains, he's not my biological son.
Come on, Your Majesty, you have started discriminating. Why? This wasn't what you promised me when you got married to me. You told me that you would treat Sado just like your own son. You got married to me when Sado was little. We came into this place. You raised Sado like your own. Why are you talking like this?
Are you not saying that I don't love him because of the crown?
If you truly have love for Sado just like the way you love your own biological sons, you would just give him this crown. Instead of you saying that he doesn't have royal blood in his system, that's you discriminating.
My queen, I think I've made my point. Oh yes.
No one can stop what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop destiny. You can fight, but you will not survive. What you don't know is bigger than you. The enemy you are fighting in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny.
Mother.
Yes, dear.
Greetings to you. I can see you enjoy yourself. That's good. Alright, Mother. I actually want to ask you to summon the maidens of the palace. Then assign one to me as my personal servant. I mean, someone who's gonna take care of me privately. You know, make me look more healthier, more ravishing rather. You know? That's exactly what I just came to ask you for. You understand?
Did you just say that to me, son? Now pick that! Pick it up!
Mother, what did you do that for? I mean, what have I said wrong?
I am highly disappointed at you, son. What? That's the only reason you came! Gracious God, just take a look at your saddle. I mean, the very one who has no interest in that whole thing is about to be given the power and the crown as a king of this kingdom, and here you are telling me about wanting a maid who will make you satisfy you. Now son, if you want a maid to sleep with, go ahead and bid anyone, but not for you to become obsessed with any of them. Hey, now you look at me when I'm talking to you. The only obsession you were permitted to have is power and the crown. And that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Have I made myself clear?
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm really sorry. I lost my memory for a while, and I would do just as you've instructed.
Good. I'm glad the slap resetted your dumb school. Now let me sing it into your brain again for you to have it in your memory. The only thing you were permitted to be obsessed with is power and crown. Don't you ever speak to me about maidens or no maidens again. Now let me have it. He's planning to make Prince Steve his heir. Inasmuch as I feel he will object to it. But let's not forget, he is still his blood.
Do you have a plan?
He's planning on coming back to the palace. What if we stop him from getting to the palace?
Are you thinking of getting rid of him too?
Do you have a better plan?
Let us allow him come first. Probably he might reject the offer. If we move so quickly, we become suspect.
And what if he doesn't reject the offer? Have you thought of that? Alright. I'll work with your plans, but hey, if he poses threat, we'll have to do the needful immediately.
Are you not going to say welcome?
Mama, are you expecting me to welcome you? How? I don't even know where you're coming from.
You don't need to know. I raised you to be a good man. If I'm a bad person, I wouldn't have raised a good man.
Mama, what has raising me got to do with the question I ask you? Huh? I'm not doubting you, Mama. But please, who is this person giving you all these things? What is your relationship with this person? That's all I asked.
You don't need to know. He's an old friend. That's all you need to know.
Mama,
Please help me take these things inside.
I will not stop asking you this question. You need to tell me. You owe me this explanation. Who is this person that is giving you all this?
Donald, stop asking questions and take these things inside. Just concentrate on what I want you to know for now.
You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. You can never stop the plans of God. You can only try.
Samira. Samira, what's going on? Who did this to you?
Nothing.
What,
It's nothing.
why all these
I just
blood
told
patches?
you it's nothing.
Wait. Don't tell me the prince did this to you. That good for nothing prince did this to you. What does he want from you? What does he want from a commoner like you when he has the wherewithal to get a noble woman for himself?
Can you bring your voice down? Someone might be passing and use you to gain favor from the prince.
Come on, please. Does it look like I care? I don't care! See, I hate oppression. I hate it, I detest it with everything in me. Alright? Why are you shedding this man? Huh? I know he did more. He did more, but you decided to stomach this pain to yourself. Reasons best known to you. Wait a minute. Are you scared?
I am not scared.
So?
His heart towards me is my secret to keep. Mine and mine alone. This fight is mine. I don't want you getting involved. Stay away. I don't want him to get back at you. Just stay away. Stay clear. Please.
Your Highness, I have come to speak to you man to man. It is only a weak man that tortures and bullies empty, innocent vessels like women. No! Please, I came to plead with you. Leave Samira, my best friend, alone. Leave her alone. It's just that simple. What? What did I just hear from?
You weak man. You dare open this gutter you call a mouth to refer to me as a weak?
I don't.
Will you shut up? I'm still talking. How dare you? You dare step your foot in this palace to refer to me as a weak?
I don't care what you do to me.
But I've come for you to leave her alone. Leave her alone! Eh? What is it?
Do you know I can actually make you to become one of my maid? Or probably turn you to be my foot licker? Or maybe my gardener? You're such a low-life profile idiot. So stand there talking to me with all amber. Now I will give you the lesson of your life. You will never forget it.
God! Your Highness, I am ready to be a scapegoat, but please, leave her alone! Ah! Ah!
So how do you feel now? Obviously miserable.
You will regret this! You will regret this!
Shut up! You have to blame it on your miserable father and mother. Fool!
You will regret this!
Shut up!
Ah. Why is this herb so painful? Ah! Ah! Ah!
Sorry. Because it's penetrating your inner skin. What is wrong with you, my son? Eh? Have you not heard about how notorious Prince Sado is? You are very lucky. All you got is few strokes of cane.
Mama, I will fight.
Easy.
I will fight him, even if he kills me. I will stand up to him. I hate oppression. Even if he kills me.
And you think that is what we want? Eh? You think that is what we want? If fighting him kills you, who will now rescue Samira? Eh? My son, use your head. Malife. Open violence and confrontation is not it's not always the best. Oh?
Donald, I warned you. I begged you. Stay away. This fight isn't yours. Just stay away. Now look at it. See the consequences. I hope you're feeling it. I don't know why you wouldn't listen to me.
Samira, can you just stop? Someone needs to keep that prince where he belongs. Alright? Someone needs to stand up to him and tell him that he is a weak man. Only weak men behave the way he does. Alright?
And you think that person is you? You want to put your life in line? I did not ask for your help.
But you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. You can never stop the plans of God. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. You are fighting in vain. You are struggling in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. Nobody can stop destiny. What is written is written. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the gods.
How many times have I warned you not to summon me this way?
But you came.
Why are you speaking to me in such a manner? Have you forgotten your status?
How can I have forgotten when you don't cease to remind me how worthless I am? How could you, Prince Sado? How could you inflict such pain on a human? How could you?
Well, That is a very merciful punishment to such a commoner like him. And by the way, why are you standing by his side? I mean, you have never questioned my authorities or any of my actions, so why now? Oh, I hope you are not falling in love with this commoner that makes you to stand out for him.
Prince Sado, I beg you, please, do not hurt him furthermore. I will do whatever you want, but don't hurt him again.
I have big plans for you. From my personal maid to my mistress. I would have made you my wife, though you're a commoner. But you can be my concubine. I think that is enough for you. Isn't it?
Donald has been my friend since childhood. I don't want to see him get hurt because of me. So please, do not inflict pains on him ever again.
Well, it's okay. I've heard you. But that will be on the condition of him not standing on my path again. And you accepting my proposal.
Sado!
Mom?
Now what do you think you are doing, son? Say no to drugs! Is it not applicable to you as well? The worst thing, the worst report I can ever get is me hearing that you got yourself high and you were flogging people all around the four walls of this palace to the knowledge of a king. That is the worst report ever. To the knowledge of your father, I am talking and you are busy smoking. Don't allow me to use this to plug off your eyes. Have you lost your senses? Now take a look at you, son.
Mom, it's not really my fault. Mom, when I feel stressed and I just needed to relax. Mom, I mean, this is the only thing that gets me relaxed whenever
just shut it! There are other ways to calm your nerves. It's not befitting for someone who is aspiring to become the future king. You should be ashamed of yourself. Just take a look at what you're doing. Smoking, drinking your life away. We are looking for a way to make you a king, and this is definitely not suitable for you. Don't you ever repeat this nonsense again. Now what do you want? To make everything that I have labored to become a West, or because of this nonsense? I have worked so hard to see that you will become the future king. This is not good for you.
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm really sorry. I've heard all you said. I'm really sorry for my bad conduct, but I will do as you wish. I'm sorry.
Pick it. You have to go trash it now in your restroom. What's going on here? Don't tell me after so many years of you and I raising our sons together, you're still doing this? Honestly speaking, I feel like a replacement.
Don't tell me you are jealous of the dead.
Of course, why not? I'll be jealous of anything that will come in between you and I.
You are my first love, though not my first queen. I'm only admiring her. And I feel guilty that I could not protect her. And now, I could not protect her son.
You don't have to.
Your Majesty, honestly, I'm so happy seeing you looking very strong this morning. You're looking very strong.
Hey, oh no, my friend. Igwe, I am glad that you noticed that I am happy today. I am fed up. I'm tired with the fact that I failed to protect my sons. I underestimated my enemies. Trust me, it will never happen again. I want you, to do all you can to protect this second prince. Make sure nothing happens to him. Give him maximum security, both internally and externally. 247.
But let me ask you, Your Majesty, it seems you don't believe that the crown prince killed himself.
How can you sound this way? You are my friend. And you know well that I am a lion. Lion cannot give birth to a goat. No true son of mine that my blood runs in him that can take his life. Never. It was purely the handwork of my enemies. And they did it to disguise as if it was a suicide. Oh yes. I am the most powerful man. Oh no. You are my old friend. And you can tell much about me. I am a lion. A lion cannot give birth to a goat. Oh yes. No true son of mine that my blood runs in his vein that can take his life. Never. Never. I am a powerful man that lacks good men to trust. I believe you will not fail me. I will do exactly what you want me to do. That's my friend.
Why is the king so desperate in securing the crown within his bloodline? Why?
Even you, Your Majesty, you have killed your conscience. Never consider the lines you have crossed, as long as you have what you want.
I agree with you. And I will take that as a compliment. Because my humanity cannot be at play when it comes to securing the crown for my son. But he has beefed up security around Prince, making it almost impossible for anyone to touch him.
Let me remind you, no matter how tight a wall looks, there is always a crack. Relax, Your Majesty. Just relax. The most dangerous enemy is the one within.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Can I join you?
You always have a seat. Let's see. I can see beautiful wine on the table.
Yes, Your Majesty. I do select from the best. You love to choose from the best. And I'm so glad I was raised by a man like you.
I wish I was able
to impart on you. But the things I see you do does not reflect my teachings.
Your Majesty, pardon? I don't understand.
Oh, you think I was not aware about the happenings in the kingdom? Your bullyings and torturing. The subjects are supposed to be cared by us and not to be booed. This is not the life of a prince. Show example of my teachings. Because the path you are walking will lead to darkness and can kill a man. Redress your step. I repeat, redress your steps.
What's come over you? What?
Mother, why do you choose to slap me at every given opportunity you have? What have I done wrong?
Oh, really? You think I will not hear? You think I will not hear your conversation with the king? Even though I'm not in the palace, I hear everything that goes on in this palace.
You and father have this in common. Spying around the kingdom.
That's not the issue. Why? I'm asking you, why in the world would you allow him to know everything you are doing in this kingdom, all your wrongs in this kingdom? Lo and behold, he's going to use it against you, to fight against you becoming the king, which is what I have worked for, labored for all my life to see you having the crown as a king. Why can't you hide your weaknesses from the world? They are looking so they can use it against you. And you are giving them the room to mock you to your face. Isn't that a shame?
I am sorry, Mom. I'm really sorry.
What is it you Mom?
I know he is coming for her. She must have made a deal to keep me alive and sold her soul to the devil.
Yeah. How do you know this?
Mama, because we are best of friends. Eh? I and Samira understand ourselves even without speaking to each other. She made a statement that this battle is only for her, but I think she was wrong. This battle is for me. It's for us, and I am going to fight.
Hey, fight? Fight the royal household? You are just a commoner. Eh? What can you do?
I will marry her, Mama.
Hey.
I will marry her. And once I do that, I know that Prince Sado knows it's an abomination in this land to chase a married woman.
Look at you. You will marry her. You want to marry a woman just because you pity her? Or you want to protect her? I thought I raised you better. Eh? Do you love her enough to spend the rest of your life with her? Yeah.
Mama, I cannot answer that question now. But my anger is my inability to help her at this point. She needs my help. I can't continue seeing this go bizarre. I can't continue looking at her like that, getting tortured by a prince. Eh? That guy is a beast.
Eh? My son, calm down. Oh, take it easy. Please.
What is it that you wanted us to discuss outside and not inside the house?
It's not obvious. I don't want mother to interfere in our discussion. See, I have found a perfect solution, to keep Prince Sado off your back forever.
I have warned you, Donnell. I have begged you. Stay away. Stay clear. Please. I don't want anything to happen to you because of me. Just stay away, please. How am I supposed to survive it? Life will be so miserable. Life will be worthless. Please. Do this for me. Just stay away, please.
Shh.
Please.
Why do you sound so romantic? I mean, no woman has ever said this to me before. And you're saying it.
I am only telling you the wisest thing anyone can tell you. Stay clear.
Then listen to me. Listen to my plans.
It is too late. It is too late because I am going to the palace to become Prince Sado's personal maid.
Prince Sado personal maid, you say?
Yes.
And his plaything? No, tell me.
No, tell me. You want to become his personal maid and a plaything, what he can use and play at any time.
But wait. How can you take such a decision without me? I thought we were in this together.
Well, you thought wrong. I'm sorry.
No one can stop what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop destiny. You can fight, but you will not survive. What you don't know is bigger than you. The enemy you are fighting in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny.
Greetings, Father. I hope you are waxing stronger.
Today I'm all right. Greet Her Majesty, the Queen.
Greetings, Your Majesty. As you can see, I have returned.
You're welcome, son. Are you sure you have returned or you're planning to leave us anytime soon?
Your Majesty, don't you think it's too early? Considering the fact that I just got in. And as for you, Prince Sado, my father's so-called adopted child, will you bow to me or you prefer that I compel the guards to force you to bow to me? Father, it's unfortunate. He's just royal by registration and he's not royal by blood. He's lucky enough to share the same name with you.
You must be out of your mind, you nitwit.
Your Majesty, it's nice to see you again.
I prefer you call me father. Because this relationship between father and son has to be there. Because very soon, we shall be taken over from me.
I'm so sorry about that, Father. I am not interested in this, okay? I am only here for my late brother. I can't abandon my career because of this, Father. You should know this is not my team.
Anyway, well, we get to the place of talking drums.
Thank you, Father. Father, I can see you are really waxing strong. You're really looking good. So how have you been? How's everybody?
Mom, did you hear that? No. Did you hear that, Mom? Did you see how he humiliated me before the subjects? I would have dealt with him, but I restrained because of you. I would have punched his face, Mother.
I'm glad you didn't use your fist to address the insult. Relax. You are angry. I know. You're hot on the inside because of the way he insulted you. You feel like burning down the whole palace. I love that. I love the fact that you are angry, but I would like you to channel your anger towards the power, towards getting the crown. Prince Steve was able to feed you with insult today. That's because he has the power. Which is why I want you to channel your anger, your energy, everything towards the crown. And that's it.
I'm ready to do anything. I'm ready to do anything to have that power. And I will make him to bow before me.
I need you to follow your mom's lead. Believe me, everything will fall in place. Listen, I need you to be of good behavior. Become the best. I assure you, when you will attack Prince Steve, he will not even know. Relax.
Can I sit with you, Your Highness?
Who am I to stop Her Majesty from sitting wherever she wants? You know, you're so humble.
Thank you. And you are way too kind. Though you look worried, what is wrong?
You know, for a minute, I almost thought you cared. But it's obvious you're trying to fish out information from me, and I'm not going to give that to you.
Come on, Steve. I raised you all by myself. I know how you behave when things are not going the way you want them to go. What's the matter?
You know, it is so disgusting to see you pretend that you're my real mom. You're just my father's wife, and that's all. Can you stick to that, please?
Okay. Well, your late brother hated me as well, and later, he liked me. We became good friends because he realized that I meant well for him. Those are also my thoughts towards you. I mean well for you. Well, I know you would like to return to your lifestyle as a superstar. I mean, as a global celebrity that you are. Fine. You can do it. You can go back to your lifestyle. Because I know you wouldn't want to be raped down in a kingdom becoming their king. No, you're too young for that. Do whatever thing you want to do. I assure you, I will persuade your daddy to let you be. He will get someone that will, become the king after him.
You know, I wish my brother was alive to tell me how close you were to him. I'm talking about abandoning the throne to someone. Who are you talking about? Prince Sado, I guess? You know, I begin to feel now that this is a plan to eradicate me, just like you got rid of my mom and my brother. It is so clear and obvious.
That's a very grave accusation you spit without evidence. Now you watch your next word, Prince Steve.
You know, you're such a chameleon. Just tell me, what do you want from me? Tell me.
You must proceed to crown him as soon as possible. Your Majesty, it seems you are in a hurry. Are you having any fear of anything? The palace physician visited and told me that my heart must stop beating at any moment. Is that not enough reason to be in a hurry? Your Majesty, it's like you feel that the killers of the first prince are onto Steve?
Yes. It is difficult to get rid of them. Because they are faceless. The moment we crown him, Steve's life will be endangered. And that is why we must do everything humanly possible to protect him. One more thing. I want you to dig deep. One more thing. I want you to find out those who are behind the atrocities going on in this family.
Your Majesty, you have nothing to worry about it, because I'm already working towards finding the perpetrators. As for your desire, as it concerns the prince, it will be carried out.
The king has no intention of stopping. One would think that after the death of his first son, that he would chicken out, and not to endanger the life of his second son.
Since when are kings known to back down from fulfilling their duties? Just like his father passed the crown to him, he will be considered a failure if he is unable to pass to his son. Kings don't have feelings of love or hate when discharging their duties. They don't even have basic emotions. Human basic emotions.
Oh, please, can you stop with the eulogies? This is a serious matter we're talking about. Prince Steve looks like someone who doesn't even have a say. Who would do exactly as his father instructed him. You can imagine, he even accused me openly of being behind the previous deaths. Could he know something?
I can see how worried you look. But I will need you to calm down. Yes, I need you to calm down. I know you have many questions that only time will answer. If the prince is going to be an obstacle, we'll get rid of him. But we must act with caution.
No one can stop what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop destiny. You can fight.
Stop. Can you just listen to me? Okay. My mother used to tell me that the palace is a dangerous place. Right? It's not even safe for the heirs. Alright? How can you open your eyes and give yourself to those that will feast on you? Wolves!
I know. Okay. I know that I am stepping into a dangerous ground. But Donnell, staying back here can only worsen things. I know Prince Sado. He will practically hurt anyone around me just to bend me to his will.
And you think you going there to give yourself is the best thing that will happen? The best solution for you?
It has to be. Okay? It has to. Donnell, I need to confront my worst fears. Facing him is the only way I can guarantee a lasting peace. That's what I need to do.
See, there is chance for you to change your mind right now. See, I have plans, okay? And it is said...
It is bad. Because it involves you. Donnell, you need to stay away. I know what I am doing, but I need you to trust me. Trust me on this. Please. Just let me go. Okay? Let me go. Stay away, please.
Do you want to talk about it?
Mama, I feel so useless. I feel very, very useless and empty. What type of a man will send his best friend to a place he knows that she will be eaten alive?
The royal household are not cannibals. But they can be ruthless and power hungry. Samira that I know is a smart girl and brave.
Mama, you always tell me that no one fights with the royal household and goes scot-free. I don't have the power. I wish I do. That's why I feel so useless right now. Mama, I watch her go. I watch her with my eyes go and I cannot stop her. Mama, I just wish there is someone stronger than me that will protect her. Eh? I'm of no use to her.
Wait. Do you consider yourself weak just because you did not take a bad decision of confronting the prince? Eh? My son, true strength lies in wisdom and not in violence. Be wise, my son. You need to stay alive to protect her when the time comes.
Hi. Mama, I hope it will not be too late. I just hope it won't be late.
No, my son.
I'll be inside.
That's Samira, Prince Sado's personal maid.
Wow. She must have come in connected.
I think so.
I've been in this palace for the past 7 years. And the prince has never considered me to be his personal maid. Well, I don't see it honorable. Being a personal maid to the prince is more like being his toy. Yeah, a plaything. It won't amount her to anything great. Or maybe she thinks her fate is same as that of the queen. She was a maid who fell in love with the prince, but power and status separated them. And now she's back as the queen. Do you think we should tell her that the prince is a monster?
I thought it was just the royals who are mean. Little did I know that the subjects are equally mean to each other. So resentful, so bitter. And I urge you to take that bitterness away from me. Good to meet you too. Excuse me.
Oh.
She's a talker.
Anyways, let's be nice. Let's see the outcome.
Sado, you look unusually calm, and you are always present in the palace. Tell me, what are you up to?
What is it, mother? Are you searching for faults? Or have you missed giving me the reset slap, as usual? Mother, you always complain that my absence in the palace makes me not to be focused. And now I'm here in the palace. Obviously, I'm focused. So why are you complaining? What is it exactly you want, mother?
What I am saying is what I'm saying. Believe me. You look very happy. In fact, you look so fulfilled, and that's not supposed to be. How can you look fulfilled without always achieving a crown on your head? It's not supposed to be.
Mother, this is a new day. I hope you know that. And I'm up and thankful. Is it not worth it? I mean, is it not worth me being happy?
All right, Sado, let's talk about the maiden you employed for yourself. And why are you looking at me like that? Tell me, is she the same girl you see and you go violent and lose your senses for?
Mother, Samira is a very nice person. Yes, I'm not kidding. Come on, Mother, you've always wanted me to be of a good conduct. Samira is the only girl that controls my temper whenever I'm high. She's a very nice person, Mother.
So this maid has the ability to calm my own son down, huh? That's too much power in the hands of a maid. Of course you were getting me curious over her.
Nothing is permanent in this world. Nothing is permanent in this world. Even the evil you play, trouble will come and go, wicked will come and go, evil will come and go.
My friends.
What kept you so long? Why have you been hiding in the kitchen? I thought I told you you're to serve me alone.
Yes, I'm sorry about that. I'm here now. And I'll always be here to serve you anytime you need me. Here.
That's the right attitude. What did you add to this?
You like it?
I love it.
I know. It's going to make you relax, stable, make you feel calm.
Really?
Drink more. And you know, you can count on me anytime to make you the special herbs.
Nothing is permanent in this world. Even
you should have some rest now.
You play, trouble will come and go, wicked will come and go, evil will come and go.
You'll be fine. You'll be just fine.
Save the wind, save our wind, save the wind. Oh,
What are you doing here? Do now that I told you not to come. What are you doing here?
I am worried about you, okay? I can't sleep. I'm unable to sleep. I am worried. Dead worried about you.
What do you mean you're worried about me? I am doing fine. I can handle myself and the stupid prince. I am doing fine. You need to stay away, please.
That's why I'm more worried. All right,
He's a monster. You're an angel. I mean, that cohabitation is not good for you. He's a monster. A freaking monster.
I know. Donald, please. You need to stay away from the palace. I beg you, please. Listen, you cannot allow them break you. If they break you, then definitely you know it will get to me. And of course, what am I living for? Donald, please, you need to stay safe for my sake. I already have a plan in motion. I have planted a seed of addiction in him. And that will help me control and destroy him. I must take my vengeance, but you have to give me the opportunity to do that. You have to stay away, please. I don't want anything to happen to you. Please stop coming to the palace. I beg you, please.
It's alright. Are you sure you'll be fine?
I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Just promise me you will never come here again. Please. Promise me.
Okay.
Not okay. Promise.
I promise.
Promise.
Your Majesty, may you continue to reign in good health. Sorry or no, I want to speak with you, and I'll be brief about it. You can take as much time as you need, Your Majesty. I really want to know what is bothering you. I had a terrible dream last night. Dream one. I saw the ground covered with blood. And when I got closer, it was the face of Steve, my son, that was covered with blood. This is a very scary dream. Your Majesty, have you taken time to consult the gifted one, at least for the interpretation of this dream? Do I need further interpretation? Not at all. My son's life is in danger. And despite my efforts, I could not save him. Are you listening? I want you to investigate if there is any motive to hijack the crown. Find out if there is any other interest outside my bloodline. Such people will be treated and be investigated for treasonable. I will do that, Your Majesty. I will find out who the enemies are. But meanwhile, the prince needs to be guided. Secondly, I want you to relax. Huh? You see this war, we are going to win it. Just wait to be. Oh, I can win. I trust you very much.
There is trouble in our kingdom.
Greetings, my king.
Greetings, how are you?
Fine. How is your health?
Not good, though out of bed. How is your health? Do you still have the drugs that the royal physician made for you?
I still have some left. Thank you very much, Your Majesty. You're a kind man.
You've been very strong. What would I have done without you? How is your son?
He is fine. I'm curious, asking a lot of questions. I wish I can answer them, but that will only complicate things.
We have discussed when he can have those answers. I wish I can see him. Although see him will warrant more questions, which I don't have the answers here.
You're right, Your Majesty. It's best you keep a distance from him, and him keep a distance from the palace.
Lest I forget, Prince Steve, life is in danger. The same people that killed the first prince are after his life.
Really?
Immediately, I pronounced him the heir. I've beefed up security around him. Though it's not enough. What do I advise I do?
You can create a diversion. The play of deception works. Make the enemy focus on something new or someone while you keep the prince safe.
You speak with so much wisdom.
Thank you, my
That is wonderful of you.
Thank you, my
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty.
I appreciate it. My queen.
Your Majesty.
Meet my son, Ralph.
Meet Ralph, your son. Oh, one of your illegitimate sons.
My only illegitimate son is... Anyway, Ralph is my son. Oh, Selena. She spent her entire life outside the country. And that was where she raised Ralph. Oh yes. He only came back after the demise of his mother.
Oh. Oof. Your mother is dead?
Yes, Your Majesty.
So tell me, how are you coping?
I'm doing okay, Your Majesty. I'm just happy finally being with my father.
That's my son. You are welcome back home.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
This palace belongs to you. We are part of this place. So feel free. You shall be crowned the next prince. And every other duties shall be assigned to you. And if there is any other thing, you shall be briefed as you progress. You are welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. Your Majesty, just relax. He will be crowned, but not today. Just relax. He just came. This is not making any sense. Why is the king bringing Ralph over when he has already met Steve, his crown prince?
For the first time ever, I cannot predict the game he's playing. Could it be that the king is trying to confuse his enemies? But who is the bait here?
Both of them are his flesh and blood.
And which of them is he using as a dagger proof to protect the other?
Only time can tell. Could it be that Steve is relinquishing his right to the throne? Which is why the king is trying to bring Ralph to take over.
No matter the move he makes, Prince Sado must rule. We will become the most powerful people in this kingdom. But we cannot move recklessly, or everything gets burned to the ground.
There is trouble in our kingdom.
Father, I was surprised that I met a man that introduced himself as your son. Father, how can you do this?
Calm down, son. I was a man before I became the king. That does not stop the love I have for your mother. Anyway, don't worry. There are more that you need to know.
Father, I'm not happy about this. I am really surprised that this is happening. Father, Mom loves you. He has always been there for you. Why would you do such a thing?
No. Just calm down, son. There are so many things I need to explain to you.
Now that we all know why he's here, I think it's time for me to leave.
Calm down, my son. there is time for everything.
Father, you know I'm not interested in this throne, Father. I have a good career that I'm pursuing.
The enemy is winning. They have vowed to kill and destroy anything that blows.
You must like it here.
It seemed very peaceful, I must say.
Well, far from it. You should have heard about the crown prince and the queen, how they died mysteriously. No one knows who is next, as bodies seems to be dropping in the palace.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to scare me?
No. No. I'm only trying to let you know that you should be careful in the palace. No one knows who's gonna drop next. If you're sleeping, do that with one eye open and don't be too comfortable in the palace.
Their heart is strong. They are mean and evil.
This guy seems very strange. He gives me cold feet anytime he's around me.
The king is down. There is trouble in the kingdom. And there is trouble in our kingdom.
Hello? Yes, I'm Prince Steve. Oh, okay. You mean you met my brother before he died? Yes. You gave him some information that endangered his life. But what could that be? Please, can you give me this information? Oh, he's paying for the treatment in exchange for that information. See, I'm ready to do anything. Any amount, just name your price. I am ready to pay. But you must promise me something. You have to be authentic with me. Yes. Okay, you know what? Let's just meet in the next 1 hour, please, so we can sort everything out amicably. Please, please, don't disappoint me. Next 1 hour. Okay.
There is trouble in our kingdom.
Son, you should announce your presence. What do you want? And why do you look worried?
Mother, I overheard Prince T's phone call conversation. He's definitely up to something, I think. And that thing, Mother, is something that will affect you and I.
Prince Steve. Prince Steve is busy. Don't worry. I know what he's busy doing. Relax. I assure you, whatever he's doing is under control. Relax.
The enemy is winning.
Just give me a minute, I'll call you back.
You know, you claim you're so busy, but yet you made my business your business.
Isn't that what family is all about? I mean, how can you think of ditching all the security signed to you and you're walking alone all by yourself? Do you want to endanger your life? Do you know what that would do to us?
You know, you sound as if you care, but yet you don't care. You're such a good actress and you deserve an Oscar for this.
better watch your tone, son. Come on. I am still the queen. And I am your mother.
And who told you you're my mother? Just because you raised me while my dad was busy with politics does not make you my mom. Okay, it's something a mermaid could even do. So stop it, okay?
What? Now what have I done? What have I done to deserve this disrespect coming from you and this hatred?
Just stop it. Just stop this pity face, okay? You're such an evil woman. And I promise you, you will pay for all the crimes you've committed. You killed the only witness to my mother's death before I could reach her. You shut her mouth completely. How could you? You know, I was even thinking my brother was killed because he was coming close to the throne. But no, it's because of you. You are hiding the truth from him. And I promise you, you will pay for all the crimes you've committed. Justice must be served. I promise you that, and I bet you on that.
Now you better keep quiet and mind the way you point your filthy fingers towards me.
No, I won't keep quiet.
Now you better keep quiet.
I won't keep quiet, and there's nothing you can do to me. And I promise you, it will take time, but justice will be served. I can bet that.
For the last time, don't point your fingers towards me.
I promise you.
Do you understand the gravity of what you did today by choosing to go solo without the security assigned to you?
Father, I understand that you care about me. But Father, you should be worried about the enemies here in the palace and not outside.
What is it that you know that I do not know in this palace?
Father, the queen, your wife, is responsible for the death of my mother and my brother.
Shut up, son. You will soon become a king. And you don't accuse people falsely. You must have a concrete evidence.
Father, I know what I'm saying, okay? I'll keep digging and digging till I have the concrete evidence. And I'll prove that to you in due time.
Oh my God!
Please move on my body. My head wants to put me.
It's alright, it's alright.
I need my rest, mommy. I need my rest.
Relax. Relax, Sado.
My rest.
Easy, it's hot. It's hot. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sado. It's okay. Just breathe. Breathe. It's okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know why my soul is acting out of character. But it's your duty to take care of him, right? Will you?
Are you trying? So how do you feel?
I feel better. I feel so better. Oh my goodness. It's as if I can feel the cold breeze in my body moving all over. Oh, I feel good. I really feel good.
Oh, my prince. I'll be around anytime you need me, okay? Alright.
No. Please. Just stay with him. And please, I'm begging you, just stay with him. Okay? After all, it's your duty to make him... No! Sado, please calm down.
I'll be fine.
I need you to take good care of him. Don't go anywhere, just stay here for now. Alright?
Yeah, of course. Yes.
One more thing. Whatever that has happened here now stays and dies in this room. I wouldn't want to hear it outside. Should I hear this outside, believe me, you will see the other side of me that you have never seen before. And trust me, you will not like it.
Yes, Your Highness.
working very hard to keep Steve checked. But I have a new battle.
What is going on?
Sado is acting out of character. It's only his personal maid who has the tea that can put him in line.
It's obvious that someone is trying to discredit him. I mean, he is your only strength.
And who can be that enemy? Because the Prince Steve I know is not capable of this mischief.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
At this point, we cannot underestimate our opponent. We cannot. We need to find out who the person is.
No one can stop what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop destiny. You can fight, but you will not survive. What you don't know is bigger than you. The enemy you are fighting in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God.
I was told you were good at what you do. So I want you to remember you're not just my driver or my bodyguard, but you are my butcher man.
Yes, Your Majesty. I have to do whatever you tell me, no questions asked.
Good. So I'd like you to keep an eye on those two boys, Prince Raf and Prince Steve. Make sure you report every of their moves back to me. In case you notice anything whatsoever, you suspect anything that they are trying to do, and you are unable to report to me at that moment, I would like you to take an action immediately to prevent them taking me down. Have I made myself clear?
Crystal clear, Your Majesty. Thank you very much for giving me this job. And the pay is very good. I like it.
Listen, I need you to do a clean job. Absolutely clean job. And expect increment on your salary. I repeat, increment.
Will do.
Let's go.
Why are you blocking me? Eh? Is that the best way to welcome your mother?
Mama, how could you? Mama, how could you? Wait, is this the reason why you asked me to keep away from the palace? Because you are having an affair with the king and decided to hide me away from him?
I would have slapped you now, but I forgive your ignorance. How did you even know I was with the king? Have you been following me around?
Yes, Mama. I have been following you around. I just want to be sure of the person you are having an affair with. I've always suspected that this man could be a married man. And yes, I was right. A married man and a powerful man at the same time. Mama, come on. Why did you have to do this? Huh? The king's mistress that I know, they live a flamboyant life. They live large, Mama. And look at you. You settled for nothing. You give so much and receive little.
Shut up! The king is your late father's friend. I cannot cheat on your father. Your father asked him to take care of us. And that is what it is.
Oh, Mama, please, please, Mama. Stop this. If this is it, why are you sneaking around to the palace knowing that this is an innocent gesture of care?
Oh, the queen will not understand it that way. I'm only protecting your life and mine. Now can you excuse me?
Please excuse me.
Mama, I don't believe you. I really don't believe you.
Now what is this? You are becoming too disrespectful by today. Why would you grab my hands like that? You want me to ask your father to punish you? Is that what you want? Come on, let go of my hand.
You know, that's so cold of you. So can't a son hold his mother's hand? There is nothing there. Or now you realize that it's only Sado that is your son. You know, is the king where you had a child in the past? And where is he?
Oh, can you hear yourself? Now what nonsense are you talking about? You lack evidence to prove your allegations you leveled against me concerning your brother and your mother's death. Now you are here, fabricating a new one against me just to bring my good reputation down. It will not work for you.
Bravo. You know what I suspected? I know you would deny this and feign innocence. But I promise you one thing. I will keep digging and digging till I get evidence to prove you guilty. And you will definitely pay for all the crimes you've committed. That's one thing you will know for sure. You will pay for all the crimes you've committed.
My friend, will you get out, you ranting of an ant? Rubbish. Oh, now this idiot is making me get confused by the day. Over please.
How can you get yourself addicted to drugs and pose a danger to yourself and everyone in the palace?
Father. Oh my goodness, Father. Father, I hear some voices. I hear some voices that are very loud in my head, Father. The voices like, I should run away. I should scatter things, Father. The only thing that gets me relaxed is the tea. The relaxing tea. When I take it, it calms everything down, Father. I feel...
Your mother and I have a higher expectation of you. And there you go. Messing up yourself with drugs and tea. Look, if you fail to retrace your steps, I shall be forced to take you to where mad people are kept. Are you listening?
Father, I am not mad. Father, I just need the tea, the relaxing tea. I mean, just to be taken away. Oh my God. The relaxing tea, Father.
I am disappointed at you. Have you been sleeping at all? Do you rest? Because you look worn out.
How I look now is not my priority. Everything is going out of control. Steve is closing up on me. Sado is losing it.
I thought you had that handled with the relaxing tea.
Oh, come on. You and I should know to where that's a temporary solution. Do you know that the king is threatening to lock up our son in a psychiatric home?
Our son? You have never acknowledged me as Sado's father.
Of course, that's because I want you to step up your game. I want you to become a father to your son now. If Sado is not in the picture, we will lose the crown. I'm sure you know that.
We need to find out the source of his addiction and know if he has cure, because he needs to be cleansed from it.
We really need to act fast.
Your Majesty, Your Majesty, I want to say thank you. That was a whole lot of money paid into my account. Thank you so much, Your Majesty.
Need I remind you that my son's stability and me seeing him be normal is my #1 priority. I will give you more money as long as you make my son to be stable.
Your Majesty, the herbs are very expensive and I've been using my salary to purchase them since. But now that I have enough money in my account, I will do anything, everything within my power to make him stable and calm again.
Listen, like I said earlier, I will give you more money. Even if it means me giving you money to buy the land where the herb grows from. I don't mind. I will do it. As long as you make my son to be stable. That's the only thing that matters to me as it is. I mean, it won't be nice for people to see my son roaming about the kingdom as a, mentally deranged person. That won't be nice. Which is why I'm begging you to do everything within your power to make sure that you make my son to be stable. Please. I am not commanding you as your pain, but I'm telling you this as a mother who wants to see her son whole again. Please, I'm begging you. Will you do it for me?
Of course, Your Majesty. Please, you need to relax, okay? I care about Prince Sado so much as his personal maid. His well-being is my utmost priority. I will do everything within my power to stabilize him. Please. Which is why I'm even here in the first place. I will help him gain stability.
Thank you very much. You've made me happier.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Yes.
I beg to take my leave now.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Did I tell you how beautiful you look?
Thank you so much, Your Majesty.
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
I don't understand. Maybe I'm trying to understand this. He raped you. He kept tormenting you all your life. And the best revenge you think you can give to him is to keep him sane. As for me, he can go mad for all I care.
The Queen has made payment, but I see it as payment for his funeral.
What do you mean?
Oh no, my queen. I called this meeting with the two people I can trust. Because what I'm about to say here is secret and must be protected. I want you to proceed to crown Steve as the heir apparent to this throne and must be carried out in the secret within 2 days.
Your Majesty, I am aware that you're worried about the prince's safety. But truth be told, I haven't heard that a prince is being crowned in the secret. I haven't heard that before. Not even the days of our fathers or our forefathers.
I am the king, and I have the powers to do whatever I feel is the best interest of the kingdom. Or is it against the law?
Your Majesty, not at all. Not at all. You are the king, like you said, a supreme ruler. That whatever you decree automatically becomes a law.
then go ahead and crown him as the next heir apparent of this kingdom. This must be done in the secret. Do not even allow Prince Stephen to be aware of it. My king, he will trust you.
Your Majesty, my heart is heavy. I don't know what to say. It was happened, my Your Highness.
Go ahead and say it. What happened?
Your Highness, as we were following the convoy with the prince, as commanded by you, the car got burnt with the prince, my Highness.
No! No!
Your Highness! Hey, whoa, somebody help! Your Highness! Wake up! Somebody help! Your Highness! Your Highness! Somebody help! Oh!
So you want to tell me that he's dead? You saw him died. Is that what you want me to know now?
Yes, Your Majesty. I would have brought his body to you as an evidence, but everything was burnt to ashes along with the car wreckage.
You know the reason I'm asking? Hold on. Let me ask you again. I hope nobody saw you. I hope nobody saw you close to his vehicle. I mean, nobody saw you close to the prince. Remember, you were my personal driver. Should anyone see you, which means I will become their #1 suspect, and I wouldn't want that to happen.
Your Majesty, I move like a ghost. No one sees me coming. I executed the job neatly and fast.
That's it.
So you have nothing to worry about because none of this is going to blow back on us.
That's good. I wouldn't want it to come back to us. That's perfect. I'm glad you said this. Now let me see who he will crown. The king. I mean, if he refuses to crown Sado, my son, the king, he will keep losing his sons. Take me out of this space.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, I am so sorry over the demise of Prince Raf. You see, that news came to us as a shock. To worsen the whole thing, the physicians even said that your condition is not even encouraging. I mean, your health. Why not name the heir now? Huh?
I choose Raf.
Raf?
You should be crowned the king after me.
But we all know that Raf has been living as a common overseas that does not even know anything about the kingdom, the tradition, and even the people. He knows nothing about them.
I know that, my kingmaker. But my blood runs through his veins, and that qualifies him.
Your Majesty, please. You know, Prince Sado has lived in this kingdom all his life. You're the one who raised him as your son. So what am I saying here? I suggest you make him a regent. While Prince Raf, goes for royal training, once he's done, then he will take over from Sado while Sado steps down.
Exactly. Your Majesty, this is a very good idea. Eh? Why not consider what the Queen just said? Huh?
I need some rest.
All right, Kingmaker.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Royal Majesty. Greetings, the Kingmaker. How is my father doing?
Well, your father's state isn't good at the moment. Though he's named you the heir. In other words, you'll soon become the king of this kingdom.
I guess you're not okay with that, right?
Not really, just that you have lived all your life abroad. And you are now living like a foreigner and know nothing about the kingdom. It will be.
But my father is right on making me heir to the throne. Even though I've taken a wrong decision by doing that.
I mean, his health is deteriorating. Don't forget that your father lost his legitimate son. In other words, your father is not even in his right frame of mind to say the affairs of this kingdom.
Why talk to me and not talk to my father who made the decision?
My prince, it's because you are smart and wise. You see, your father has lost it all. He has lost it. All he's just trying to do is to make sure that his blood is put on the seat. If I were you, I will go back to where I came from. I'll go back to where I came from and continue with what I'm doing there. If I were you, I'm only suggesting.
Honestly speaking, I know who is right. To tell you the truth, you can go back to the States, tell your father that, you're not interested. But let me assure you, everything that rightfully belongs to you will be given to you. I assure you. And you can visit the palace whenever you want to. Coming in and out, give us your professional ideas. You can also make do with it. And that's it.
I have to think this through. At the same time, consult my father to know his decision on this.
Well, are you saying you cannot make a decision for yourself,
Did you notice that ever since Samira came into this palace, Prince Sado has been acting mad?
Well, I heard she's the only one that knows what to give him that makes him calm. The queen, in all her fairness and scary attitude, likes her, adores her and treats her like someone important.
I even heard that the queen gave her a lot of money the other day. What if she did something to the prince? I know the prince was violent, but acting mad was not part of him.
I fear the queen is paying someone to fix a problem that the solution giver created. Ever since that girl stepped her feet into this palace, I knew she is trouble. And also on a mission. Yes. We have to be careful. If she can control our scary queen and prince, she can do anything. We just have to be nice to her and see how it goes, because from this end, I know power easily change hands in the palace. I cannot tell if we are going to bow our heads to her in the future.
You are right.
For a prince, aren't you drinking too much?
Getting drunk doesn't befit royalty.
Even a mermaid is telling me what's befitting of royalty. So tell me, what's befitting for me?
It depends on what is eating you up and how you chose to handle it. Gracefully or like a tout.
You seem very bold. I recognize you. You are Prince Sado's most valuable possession.
Saying it like that presents me more like an ornament than a human. I thought being raised outside a palace would make you see and treat people differently, but no. You are just like the rest of them.
I'm absolutely nothing like them. I see desperation for power among their midst. And I believe any wrong decision I take right now might just end my life. So what do you think I should do?
You are the only one who can answer to that. It depends on how you choose to live or die. This most valuable ornament cannot tell the future king what he needs to do. Permit me to take my leave.
I never summoned you.
Mama, your body is no longer accepting treatment. Instead of your health is so bad. Look at what an atazobo. I think I should go get a help.
The drugs were formerly effective, but they are no longer working. I think my time has come.
Hey, Mama.
I don't know.
No, Tamkwa. Please, I cannot accept that, please. Mama, please, I need to go to the palace right now and see the king. I believe that he will send the best of doctors to come and examine you. I know exactly what the problem is.
No, my son. You cannot go to the palace. The palace is not safe, even for the royal household. I feel for them all.
Mama, you feel for everybody, but not yourself. Look at your state of health right now. Mama, please, I can't afford to see anything happen to you because you know I will not survive it. I will not.
You cannot go to the king. Promise me you will not go to the king until I say so. Biko, Mama.
Mama, I promise. But I must do everything I need to do to keep you alive now. I can't be watching you die. Mama, no, you'll be fine.
Thank you.
Come on, Rav. I can't keep waiting for you all day. I'm running out of patience. So tell me, what is your decision?
It will be cowardly of me to reject the duty assigned to me by my father. I hate being a coward.
While it's always good to be a brave man. Very brave. Need I remind you that most brave men, so-called brave men, are 6 feet below. They are dead in the grave. It's only the cowards that live to tell the stories of these so-called brave people.
Are you threatening me? I feel threatened already.
Threatening you? Oh no, come on, far from it. We are having a harmless conversation, isn't it? In fact, it's a conversation of bravery and cowardice, isn't it? Hey, I need to go straight to the point. You should reject the crown if you want to keep breathing. Else, you will die like the other prince. I don't bluff.
Oh, I see. You are the enemy to the throne. My father must hear of this.
Any accusation without proof is worthless, just like you are worthless. It's meaningless, just like you have no meaning right now. Get out.
With all pleasure.
The enemy is within.
What are you waiting for? Start the car.
They have vowed to kill and destroy anything that blocks their way. Their heart is strong. They are mean and evil.
Greetings, my prince. Here.
Is this the type of tea that fixes Sado's madness? Well, there's nothing hidden in this palace. The maid talks. The guard talk.
If you are asking if this is safe to drink, yes, it is. It will relax you.
Why are you being nice to me? Do you pity me?
Pity? And why should a maid pity the future king of this kingdom? I feel you have a lot on your mind, and you need someone neutral to open up to.
You mean neutral? Are you neutral? You serve Prince Sadu and the Queen. So I don't think you're neutral. I feel you're biased.
Should I tell you a secret, Prince Raphael? I serve no one but myself. And what do you intend to do with the options available to you?
The only options available to me right now is to follow my father's instructions.
It's okay, my priest. It's okay.
You have no right or whatsoever to talk to my woman or have anything to do with her. Now, do you take your filthy hands off me, idiots? Let this be the last time I will repeat myself again. She is my personal maid and my woman. Stay off her. Have you heard me? Come with me. Now.
How could you? I am so ashamed of you. How could you fight over a girl? Not just a girl, but a useless and worthless maid. How?
Mother, Samira is not useless.
She's the only woman standing beside me to keep me sane.
Can you even hear yourself? Oh, do I sense love? Are you falling in love with this girl? What am I even saying? I asked you to sleep with her if you must, and not for you to fall in love. This is not even love, this is obsession. You are being obsessed.
Ralph knows how important Samira is to me, but he chose to bring her to himself so that she will give him all the loyalties she's supposed to give to me. That is not God.
You might be right, of course, but using your fist is not the solution to this problem. Now, what is King going to do when he hears that you fought his future king?
Mother, I am the future king.
Not yet. Can you pipe low? Work towards it. Work towards achieving the crown, getting the power. Then you can feel the way you're feeling, but for now, no. Work according to your position.
You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't.
Listen, boy. You have been asked to reject the throne or die. Yet you still prove stubborn. Now I'm going to give you an option. Whatever you decide here and now is what will determine your fate.
Please spare my life. I'll go to the king and tell him I don't want the throne anymore. Please spare my life, please. Please spare my life, please. Spare my life. I'll
go. Smart boy. I know what to do. I will help you. You will write and sign a letter addressing the king that you had to leave the kingdom because you are a coward. And tell him to forgive you for your cowardice. Now, get off. Let's go.
I'll do anything you want.
Get off.
Anything you want, I'll do anything.
Move.
What?
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty. That's it, I know. I have failed you yet again. I'm sorry. Very sorry. You know, I saw him get drunk all the time. And I tried as much as possible to ask him to relax. Yet he wouldn't listen. He just left. I don't know why he's so scared of the crown. I made him realize that we will support him. We are there to help him out. But no, he wouldn't listen.
Did you try to encourage and comfort him?
Of course I did. I did.
But he wouldn't listen. I don't know why he's so scared of becoming the king.
No, I don't believe it. No son of mine will reject the last wish of his father. No.
What are you talking about? He obviously did. That is his signature. That's his handwriting.
No, I can't take it. Ralph need to come to tell me to my face that he rejected the last wish of his father. I can't take it. No.
I understand how you feel. Just relax, Your Majesty. Relax. The king has commanded that Ralph be found and brought back. I hope you've taken care of him.
He will never be found, Your Majesty. As we speak, wild animals are feeding on him.
I love that. Believe me, you've done a great job. And be rest assured I'm going to reward you greatly.
Thank you, Your Majesty. But Your Majesty, can I ask you a question?
Go on.
Why did you have me kill him even after giving up his claims to the throne and crown? Why didn't you spare him?
Spare who? An enemy? Let me tell you what you don't know. When you spare an enemy, he will run for his dear life. He will reinforce himself and return to you. Believe me, when he comes back to you, he will fight you without mercy to bring you down. If I had allowed Ralph to leave, believe me, he would run for his dear life. But I'm assuring you that he will go and reinforce himself and come back. When he comes to attack me, he will not show mercy on my side. And he will request for his legitimate crown. I am not ready for that.
I understand, Your Majesty. I understand.
You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. You are fighting in vain. You are struggling in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. Nobody can stop destiny. What is written is written.
No. How is she? How is mother? I came as soon as I got your message. How is she?
Not good. Her medications are finished. Even before it got finished, her body is no longer responding to treatment. Eh? And you know her medications come from the palace.
Okay.
I don't even have money to afford one.
Hi. This is serious. Okay, should I tell Prince Sado?
No.
Come on, he should be able to do something.
Oh, come on, please. You ask him so he can demand something more in exchange. Come on, don't do that. See, why not sneak into the royal dispensary and get me some drugs? Mother's drugs come from the palace. Please.
That would be very difficult.
Mother has prohibited me from going to meet the king. That's my problem.
As we speak now, the king's health is very critical. He's seriously sick. Everything in the palace is just so messed up. I don't understand. But don't worry, okay? I will try my best to get the drugs. But in case you didn't see me, just know that things didn't go as planned.
Come on. Just be careful. Be careful, please.
I will. Please make sure you take care of Mama, please.
I will. You two be careful, please. Right? Go.
Let's go. Bye.
He will surely give up after losing his sons. I mean, will he rather allow a stranger to have the crown instead of the one he raised as his own son?
What are you thinking? Do you think he's holding on to it just because he has an option?
The king I know is up to something. Especially when he's accusing me of killing his sons.
So what will you do? Continue to spill innocent blood as long as he named them his heir. Is that the plan?
I have come too far to back down.
So what next? They will kill the king and make it an open field for the contenders?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing will come in between me and the crown.
My daughter, you cannot go back to the palace. If you have a soul, save what is left of it. You can never remain the same once you take a life.
He deserved to pay for hurting me, mother. I can't stop now. I have gone too far into it. Too far to stop now.
Samira, your life is in danger. If the queen discovered that you have been killing his son, there is no saving you. Do you want to die fighting for this vengeance?
Mother, I am not going to back off. Prince Sado will pay for everything that he has ever done to me. Everything. Like I said, Mother, I am too deep into this. I can't stop now. I must see to the end of it.
Samira, my daughter, I will be leaving soon, and then I will be all alone. I need you to stay alive and be beside him.
Mother, you're leaving to where? You're not going anywhere. Stop.
You are the only one that loves my son the way that pleases me. I see you like a sister and a wife. Don't miss a family when I'm gone. And that's who you should be. Please, leave this fight. Leave it.
Mother, please. You have to stay positive. And you have to fight this illness that wants to take you to your early grave. Please, be strong for me, for us. Please.
I'm trying. I'm trying. But we have to prepare for the worst. I wish I made him marry early. I would have had my grandchildren beside me now.
Mother, it is not still late. It is not. You will still carry your grandchildren. Okay? You're disturbing yourself. You're just disturbing yourself over nothing. Please, calm down.
Moro,
Your Majesty.
did you see the maiden? The one that is taking care of my son?
No, Your Majesty. She has not returned to the palace.
Do you think she ran away? Is it something I should worry about?
Today is her off day, Your Majesty. So I'm sure she must have gone to see her family. She will return in the morning.
No. Listen, I wouldn't want that girl to return to this palace. Make sure you go after her. Find her and keep her somewhere. I must find out who is backing her up. She dares to tamper with my only son. That can never be.
As you have commanded, Your Majesty, it will be done. why not stay? Okay? Stay. I'm very sure your work is done at the palace. Remember, killing wasn't part of the plan.
But controlling him is. Only the herbs controls him. Taking away the herbs destabilizes him. And my attention will be needed in the palace.
See, you've done enough already. You have done enough. Mother needs you. Don't you consider her mother?
Of course I do, and you know that. You both are the only family I have.
Then stay. Stay with us. The palace is no longer safe, and you know that. I cannot be here worrying about my sick mother and also worrying about your safety. Samira!
I can't stay. I need you to understand that. I need to head back to the palace now to prepare the relaxation tea for Prince Sado. Else I'll be punished. You need to relax, please. You worry too much, and it's not good for you. Can you at least walk me down now?
My physician.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The smiles on your face signals hope.
Yes, Your Majesty. You are 100% correct. You see, there was food poison that was given to you, and it was circulating throughout your whole system. The whole of your system was circulating. And the antidote I gave to you washed away every poison in your system. My king, I don't know who is doing this, but you have to be very careful from now. I highly recommend that you don't take anything from anybody except the one that was prescribed by me.
Thank you very much, my physician.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I would like you to give me the prescription so I can handle that myself.
I will do that.
I want you to do one thing for me.
What is that?
Please, on no account must anyone in the palace, including my queen, know about this news. Maintain the old story that my health has not improved. Can I trust you?
Cross my heart, Your Majesty.
You cannot leave.
Thank you very much.
The physician said that his condition is getting critical. Yet, he has refused to announce Sado, the crown prince. Can you imagine? I think the best thing is for us to kill him. I mean to remove him out of the way completely and make Sado the king.
You cannot make him the king because of his health condition.
Come on, I need you to think like a politician for once. There is something called regency. I can stand in for him till he's completely okay.
So what plan do you have for the king?
What plan do I have for the king? Give me time to think, please.
Your Majesty, why are you here? You should have summoned me.
Summoned you in this state? You're not yet okay. I will send the palace physician to come and examine you.
And Reese being seen together. Do you think they will not ask the physician where he went or who he gave his services to? We cannot risk that.
I can't afford to lose you. I made a promise to your late husband that I will always be there for you. Seeing you in this state seems to me that I failed.
It's not your fault. You have done more than enough. I'm worried about Donna. He keeps asking questions, and he must ask the wrong person.
My eyes are on him. is fully protected. My good friend, I want you to concentrate on getting back your health. You know you're the only person I trust. I am being surrendered by a lot of enemies. I want you to be fine for me.
My king, I will be fine. But please, you have to go. Before Donna sees you, please go.
If that is what you want, I will.
Your Majesty.
So when do you intend to tell me?
Tell you what?
That Shadow is sick and needs medical attention. Since you consider me his father, am I not supposed to know his health status?
Sorry, Your Majesty, just that I didn't want to bother you with Sad's condition because I know you're not feeling too well. Sorry. Sorry, Your Majesty, you'll be fine.
I am the king. I think I'm in the position to know all my children's health status.
You're right. Alright, Your Majesty. Now look at your health condition. You still want me to bring sad news to you? It's okay, lie down properly. Lie down, you'll be fine.
Your Majesty, you cannot be coming and going as you like. I know you are the most powerful man in this kingdom and can do whatever you want. But this puts I and my son in an uncomfortable state.
Okay, what I've come to say cannot wait. Since you refuse my assistance to offer you medical treatment abroad, I don't know how long this can stay.
I'm listening. Say quickly and leave. I cannot explain to Dunel when he sees you here.
I think it's high time you allowed him to come over to the palace. I know your worries, I know what you're afraid of. I assure you, you'll be highly protected.
He's not ready yet. I cannot allow my son to be sacrificed like others. I'm still alive and I cannot allow that.
You know you can't keep him away from his destiny. Sooner or later he will face it. The best you can do in this situation is to give him a password. And when he speaks that password, it's only I and him alone can understand that password. And let him come to his rightful place. Oh yes, he will be protected. Like I said, rest assured.
Thank you for not commanding me to bring him to you.
No, come on.
Thank you for understanding the fear of a mother.
No, come on. Why are we friends? I appreciate every of your effort. And then, you know you're the most trusted to me. I'm a great ally. I got your back.
I had the king followed. And we noticed that he is always leaving the palace in disguise.
Where did he go? Did you find out?
Yes, Your Majesty. He visits a sick woman. She has a son, but the king never meets the boy.
He's making his moves. Planning
to surprise me. I won't let that happen. Now, how was he even able to move out? Is he getting better?
He looks agile and well from the strides he takes.
Are you serious?
I could look into it if you want. Maybe question the physician.
No. Please. It will make everything look suspicious. I wouldn't want that to happen. Focus your mind on knowing who that sick woman is and the relationship she has with the king.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Are you serious? A sick woman.
No one can stop what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop destiny. You can fight, but you will not survive. What you don't know is bigger than you. The enemy you are fighting in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. No go. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Why have you summoned me? Am I in trouble?
Well, it all depends on the answer you'll be giving to me now. Who are you? And why is the king interested in your family?
My name is Donnell, the son of late Chief Obi. I have never seen or met the king before.
But your mom meets the king. Do you know anything about that?
No, I know absolutely nothing about that. Please, Your Majesty, you will leave me with no option to ask my mom. Then I can give you answers.
You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. No go. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight.
And what's the meaning of what you're doing? Why are you mimicking me? Do you think it's funny?
Oh, no. This is my nature. I wasn't mimicking you at all. This is just something that happened to me when I'm out of thought. Please, it's just an unconscious part on my own side. I'm really sorry.
You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. You are fighting in vain. You are struggling in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. Nobody can stop destiny. What is written is written. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny.
Samira, what are you doing here? I thought you should be at the palace.
I haven't been to the palace for some days now.
Are you in trouble? See, if you feel you're in trouble, then this village is no longer safe for you. Go and find somewhere to stay.
I am in serious trouble. One of the maidens told me that the queen somehow found out about the tea that I gave to his son.
Oh.
And she has been looking for me. That she needs to know what my intentions are. I don't even know what to do.
Samira, I warned you. I warned you about this mission you embarked on. Now look at this. The queen is not someone to joke about. She is a monster. I heard she was behind the killing of the first wife and also the princess. She wasn't able to pay for it because no one can nail her to that crime.
I know, okay? I just couldn't stand looking at Prince Sado. I just had to take my revenge. By the way, why does she want to see you? What is your connection with the palace?
Why is everyone asking me this question? I do not have any idea. No idea at all. Yes, she wants to see me. She asked me about the connection between my mother and the king. I don't know. I've been kept in the dark for so long, like a 3-year-old child. This really saddens me. I don't know. What's going on?
I don't know what to do.
Ha! This is trouble, oh.
Your Majesty, anytime the blood is ready, please call me.
Your Majesty.
My queen.
Yes.
His blood type is rare and he needs blood urgently. I've told the physician that we're going to search how we can see his father because I'm sure his blood will match with his own.
Your Majesty, come on now. I told you Sada's father lives in a very far village, far from our own. And the man was a hunter and a drunk as well. I mean, it's impossible for me to get in touch with him. It's been long.
Anyway, I've instructed the physician to do all he can to get a blood that can match with him. Meanwhile, we still need to search for his father.
Come on, Your Majesty. With a heavy reward, some subjects will be willing to donate their blood. Please. Please, there won't be any need for us to go looking for Sada's father. Please.
There is no need calling people to come and donate blood. We will have an option. So there is this father and son relationship. Just get me the details of how I can get the hunter. Sada will not die under my watch. He goes nowhere.
Mama, there is something I want to ask you. It's been disturbing me for so long. Please, I want you to tell me my connection to the palace. Eh? You know you can't continue to keep this secret. Biko.
Bamba. You will know when the time is right. Just focus on learning wisdom and being a great man.
But do you want me to ask the queen? Because she summoned me and I'm curious right now.
The queen came to see you. Why is she asking of you?
Same reasons, Mama. Same reasons. And that is why you need to tell me my connection to the king. Mama, please, I don't want her to know about something I do not know about at the end of the day.
Biko, I've never begged you before. Stay away from the queen. You have to stay away from the palace. It's an evil place. Eh? It feasts on great men. Please.
Mama, I've always kept to your promise. But please, you need to trust me with this information. Tell me my connection to the palace. That is all I asked for. For how long will you keep this, Mama? Eh?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Mama, you're okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
No, it's because of the drugs I'm giving you. That's why I'm giving you. It's more.
I've taken enough. I'm okay.
It seems there is trouble.
He has gone in search of the hunter that got me pregnant.
But you and I know that such character does not exist. How long are you going to let the rest of the world sad to know that I'm his first father?
That will cost us chances of having the crown. And I'm not ready to lose it.
And I cannot allow your quest for the throne cost me the life of my son. We need to do something.
Now you better keep quiet and allow me to think.
How bad is it?
Very bad. You know, your blood group is rare. That's why it's difficult for us to get a match.
So tell me, mother, will I die? Should I say my last wish?
No! Why would you say a thing like that? I will not allow such to happen, I promise. Sado, did you know the girl you brought to the palace has been the one killing you slowly? If I get my hands on her, she will regret it for the rest of her life. What?
Mother, please. Do not harm her, please. Mother, I should be responsible for anything she has done bad, please. I have wronged her so much. Mother, I raped her. I raped her and I forced myself on her countless times. Please, do not harm her. Mother, promise me, please. Promise me.
You better keep quiet. This one is bigger than you. Do you even realize that this particular girl might be working for somebody and I need to get my hands on the person that is backing her up because it could be my enemy? Who knows that you are my weakness and that's the reason they want to kill you for me. I would never allow that to happen. I would deal with her unless I didn't set my eyes on her.
If killing me will make her forgive me, then let her will be done. I love her so much.
Hey! Now you better keep quiet, Sado, and stop talking rubbish.
Have you heard the latest?
Which latest? What is happening?
The queen is searching everywhere for Samira.
What? Why? What did she do?
Do you know that she has been killing the prince with her specialty?
This is big news. So this girl is actually on a mission. I told you that she was up to something. But I didn't know that she's capable of taking someone's life. Do you think the prince did something despicable to her that she came to revenge?
Who has Prince Sado not done things to? That girl is pure evil. What saddens me the most is the fact that the prince is still confessing his love for her. Maybe she added love charming the apps she has been giving to him.
The queen must be very angry and disappointed by now. Very angry. But I know that she won't go away with it. Omamile, she can't. She will not. They will surely kill her. Hey? Samira, only her niche.
What is it? What is it? Eh? You want to drink water? What? Chalo.
Come.
What? Mama, I'm coming. Please hold on.
Come. Oh, my son.
Hey! Mama!
Listen to me. Listen. You have to go to the palace.
Mama, please. I hope this is not your last wish. People, please don't leave me.
You have
Take
to
water.
go to the palace. When you get there, meet the king. Give him these words. Fate says now.
Mama, please, just take this water. What are you talking about? I should go to the palace. The palace you prevented me from going or talking about. Please, Go. Please, take this water. You will be fine.
Listen to me, my son. We have no time.
Hey.
You must go to the palace.
Mama, please. Biko.
You can't
leave me now.
You can't. You can trust the king with your life. But only you can protect yourself. But remember these words. Remember these words. They are your password. Faith. Faith. Since now.
I know, but please. Mama!
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Say whatever you want to say and say it quickly.
I worry about the king's health, Your Majesty. He has not been taking the herbs you make me prepare for him. He has been wasting it. So I wanted to tell you because I know how concerned you are about the king.
For how long has he been wasting it?
I just discovered a few days ago. I was scared to speak up, but I fear the king might die if he doesn't take his medicine. So I summoned the courage to tell you my queen.
Thank you. You've done well by telling me. Now here's what I want you to do for me. I need you to keep an eye on the king. Am I understood?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now when the physician comes, listen to what he's telling the king. Check what he's giving the king. Report back to me.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The king must be protected at all costs. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty. I will do as you've commanded. Excuse me, Your Majesty.
Is winning. The enemy is winning. They have vowed to kill and destroy anything that blocks their way.
Greetings, Your Majesty. My mother sent me to you. She says when I come, I should give you the password. Fate says now.
Daniel! Is this you? How is your mother? Did you leave her alone in the house?
Your Majesty, my mother is dead.
No!
She died yesterday. I only came to carry out her last wish.
Oh no, Pat! You shall be greatly missed. I've lost someone who is more than a friend, a close confidant, a trusted ally. It's going to be a lonely journey for me.
Your Majesty, I need to take my leave now. I need to go and lay my mother to rest immediately.
A good son. I will assign some of my guards to go with you. Whatever you need to give her a befitting burial, I shall accord you with that.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you so much. My mother told me I should trust you, and that is what I will do.
Oh yes, I guarantee your safety. And no harm shall come near you. This is your home. You belong here.
Thank you, Your Majesty. May I take my leave now? Thank you.
Nothing is permanent in this world. Nothing is permanent in this world.
Your Majesty, you cannot name a stranger your heir. But Sado is suited for this position, considering he is an adopted son. The young man you are talking about, Your Majesty, does not even bear your name. Talk of having your blood flowing through him.
Your Majesty, you hate me so much to the extent of you waging war against me. Come on, Your Majesty, this is not about you knowing what's best for the kingdom. This is you making sure I do not get what I want.
I am not doing this to have you punished for the evil you have done against me. I am more concerned about getting a befitting ruler who can rule this kingdom. And that person is done.
Your Majesty, you are getting it all wrong. The young man you are talking about is a stranger. I am the kingmaker, and I'm going to crown who I believe is in line with tradition.
I am the king. Do you think I will do anything that is outside tradition? Something like crown and heir who does not share my bloodline?
Hold on, Your Majesty. Are you saying that Donna is your son? We really need to prove to him that Donald is a stranger to him. Believe me, the king is very, very desperate and is ready to win at all costs, even if it means him playing dirty.
Have you considered that the king may be telling the truth?
What truth are you talking about? The saddle doesn't befit the throne, is that it?
That Donnell may not be a stranger to him. Your henchman said that the king used to visit the boy's mother before she died. Who knows if they were having an affair? And the evidence of that affair is Donnell. Anything can be possible.
That's not possible, excuse you. I was told that the woman in question was his best friend's wife. Believe me, the king cannot stoop so low as into sleep. But his best friend's wife, don't even think about that.
The king is a man that blood flows through his veins. Like we know that the queen is married to the king, but I still have an affair with the queen. Anything is possible, Your Majesty.
Sado, calm down. Are you just going to stand there looking, physician? Do something, please.
My queen, my hands are tied.
How?
We are yet to get a blood donor to commence the treatment. And if his father is around and he knows his whereabouts, please get in touch with him. This is time for him to come out and save his son.
Oh, please, keep quiet. What are you talking about? Okay, let's assume his father is dead. Are we going to watch Sado, my son, to die as well?
If he is alive, we won't hope for the worst. When we can achieve the best, he's not looking around. My queen, please help me so that I'll be able to help you to save the life of your son.
All right, I've heard you. I'll try and go in search of him. But please, make sure you do something, okay? Please, you set up treatment. What will I say? Will I say you're completely useless now? What is all this? Make sure you get yourself ready to start treating him. Calm down, Sado. Sado, please. Sado, I don't know how to pray. I would have prayed for you. Sado, please. Sado.
Samira, you don't need to run around the game, okay? As you can see, I am now powerful. I will protect you against the queen and the prince.
You should protect yourself. You stepped into the lion's den. Donnell, I fear for you. I saw how princes were snatched out one after the other and no one could do anything to save them. No one.
I know where I stepped my feet into. I know who is after me. You know, Mother kept this secret for a long time. A very long time. She's only afraid of the day I'm going to face my fear. And she advised me to do what? Survive. That's what I intend to do. Survive.
You are strong, Donnell. Strong and brave. But I don't want to be your weakness. They may use me as a bait to get you to drop your guard and then kill you in the process.
Hey.
I don't want such thing for you.
Come on. You don't need to fight this alone, okay? We can fight it together. Can you trust me?
Can you stay safe?
Trust me.
No one can stop what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop destiny. You can fight, but you will not survive. What you don't know is bigger than you. The enemy you are fighting in vain.
Permit me to serve you myself.
Oh.
I was thinking you would hesitate.
Why? I mean, really that being rude, rejecting the Royal Majesty's congratulatory drink.
Don't play dumb with me. I am certain your father must have told you that I'm the enemy you should be aware of. Did you not think I might have poisoned your cup of wine?
Poison? Poison? This doesn't look like a poisoned drink. Well, I think I know you. I know your style. I know you don't like to kill in the open where people can see and where witnesses can be listed everywhere.
Very funny. Honestly speaking, it's preposterous. Come on. On a normal circumstance, believe me, I should have lied to you. Ask me why. That's because you were brave. Well, both of us are brave. We are smart. We think alike. I mean, that should have made me to like you. Well, risking it to win in the end.
Your Majesty, I want to bring to your notice that the most dangerous opponent you can ever fight is a man without witness. A man that has absolutely nothing to lose.
You have a lot to lose, Sugar, trust me. I know you don't care much about your life, but trust me. I know there's someone or something you care so much about. It won't be too long, I assure you. I will lay my hands on them.
Your Majesty, do not underestimate the power and strength of a weak man, because he can make use of it in desperate times. If you touch his tails, he might unleash his dragon and crush the enemy.
Look at you, seated before me, acting up. And I'm wondering, is it not this one who is raised as a pauper? Yet, you act as if you were the prince. You act like someone who has a royal blood in you.
No one can stop what the Lord has written.
Who really are you?
Nobody can can stop destiny.
Your Majesty,
You can fight,
why are you torturing me?
but you will not survive.
Why is it difficult for you to give me what I want? Why?
The question here is, how far would you go to usurp power? How far are you willing to kill to get the crown?
Hold on, Your Majesty, hold on. Hold on. Are you suspecting me? Are you suspecting that I killed your sons? Me?
I see that speaking with Donald triggers something in you. Does he remind you of your young, ambitious self?
Donnell? Who is he? Physician.
Yes.
That's Sado's father. Do whatever thing you have to do, and do it very fast.
Let's go.
Now you listen. I'm sure you know him too well, right? Good. Whatever we've done here stays here. If I hear it out, of course you know you will lose your life. I'm not kidding. Start. Start immediately. Just go ahead, please. My son's life.
So you are Sado's father. You've been working with the queen to give him the crown, old friend. You stabbed me at my back.
Physician, how did he get to this place?
How will I know when I was brought here blindfolded?
Your Majesty, my affair with Queen has been even before you married her. Sado is the evidence. As a good friend, I'm sorry I did not tell you. I'm so sorry.
So you've been the cause of all the calamities happening in the royal home?
No, Your Majesty. I only had a son with the queen. Any other thing I don't know.
Time shut up.
You dare reduce my golden boy to a vegetable just because he took your worthless virginity. That's the reason you wanted to kill him, right?
You're a woman, just like me. But you speak like a monster. No woman deserves to be raped or violated. I wish you had a daughter. And I pray she experiences same fate as mine, or even worse, from monstrous men like your son. That's my prayer for you.
You have no right whatsoever to lay a curse on me with your filthy mouth. Look at this nitwit. You think I don't know who you're covering? You are covering somebody you feel is important, he's powerful, isn't it? Do now. Oh! You knew he was going to become a king. That's the reason you came into the palace. Boom! You attacked my son. Because you know too well, he's done out to position. Useless then.
You give me so much credit, Your Majesty. I am not even that important. But you place me so high. I know nothing about Donnell becoming the future king of this kingdom, or his ties with this palace. I know nothing about them all. I am only a girl who embarked on a journey to take down a monster who violated her.
Now you listen to me. I haven't come here for us to banter words.
I'm just going to tell you this and you will do it immediately. Now you are going to rewrite that Donnell is the one who gave you the instruction to poison my son. And you are going to do exactly. He is the brain behind you trying to kill my son. That's what you're going to do. And you will do it now.
I will do no such thing.
Really?
Yes. And you can't make me do it.
Oh.
Donnell is innocent. He has nothing to do with this.
Now watch me break you. What are you waiting for? Beat her till she confesses.
No, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, Samira is missing. And we all know who is behind it. Her Majesty is so ruthless.
Yes, we know. But we do not have the information as regards to her whereabouts. Maybe this may be the opportunity to end this now.
Please help me bring her down. Please. You cannot sit here looking at her committing atrocities against humanity. Justice is best served cold.
Donnell, my son. What an old man sees while seated, the young man might clap you a trick as soon it. Taking any bold step now will endanger your life. Oh yes, because she has not made any move against you. Or maybe because I've not signed and sealed the document pronouncing you as the heir and the next king. Or are you ready to bet your life to save her?
Your Majesty, I am ready to do anything within my powers to save Samira. I will do that. I am going to end the reign of terror of Her Royal Majesty. I will do that and stop this madness once and for all.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
My chiefs.
Your Highness.
The matter at hand cannot further be delayed. This is a document sealed and written the name of Don Apata as the heir apparent to the throne.
Your Majesty, that cannot be possible and you know that too well. He is a total stranger and has no right whatsoever to bear your name. After all of us here are aware that you did not adopt this man to be your son.
I cannot adopt him when truly he is my son. Oh yes! Donnell Agbata is my son. Overall first son.
Oh no way! Stop it already! With all due respect, Your Majesty, stop it. You are way too big for this. Now what is all this? How can you be lying like this? I repeat, this gold digger cannot be your son and I will not condone it. You stripped off one man who is supposed to oppose your tyranny and appointed a pauper who will gladly dance to your obedience without even asking questions.
What you are doing?
I beg your pardon.
Your Majesty. I will not be insulted here. Let me make it clear to you that very soon our king will invite his mother into this palace to come and testify that he's really the son of our king. After all, they say that it's only the woman knows who got her pregnant.
You've spoken well, Olo.
or please keep quiet. Which spoken well or no? This is preposterous. Can you hear yourself? A woman who is dead, buried, long forgotten.
Oh, be there.
Hold on.
The
Your
mother
Majesty.
is alive,
Oh, maybe you're gonna work around.
sound and healthy. She'll come to prove it here that indeed Donna is my first son. Oh yes, the first son of this family.
You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. You are fighting in vain, you are struggling in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. Nobody can stop destiny. What is written is written. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the gods.
Your boldness intrigues me. Well, both of us are far from the palace. Now tell me what stops me from giving my headsman instruction to squeeze life out of you.
Well, if you want to do that, you will have done that a long time ago. But we both know that this is not your style of killing. You do not kill without a reason. There is absolutely something you are looking from me. Something that will be beneficial to you. We know that.
That's it. You never cease to impress me. You never cease. Believe me. Why do we look alike? Let me tell you something. Do you know there was a day the king asked me, is there nothing you see in this young man that reminds you of your young self? Now I see it clearly. Your quest of looking for something and getting that thing is where we have something in common.
Does it make you feel good to think I am like you? I can never be like you, Your Majesty. I'm sorry about that. But you are a beast. A monster.
Ah.
Your humanity is dead.
I know.
Died on arrival. I want you to release Samira. She has done nothing to you. Whatever that girl has done to your son, he deserves even more. Right? Release that girl. See, let me tell you something. You cannot punish a woman that is fighting for her freedom. No.
Are you done preaching? All right. So what are you going to give me in return for her freedom?
I said it. I said there must be something you were looking for. All right. What do you want?
Everything. I want you to denounce the crown as soon as you're being crowned the king. Tell them you don't need it. Hand it over to Sado, my son.
With all due respect to Your Majesty, if you weren't the queen of this land, I would have said you were a commoner or someone that is not really attached to no rules and tradition of the land. You and I know that this is not possible. I do not have such right and authority to carry such orders.
You do. Of course you do.
How?
All you need is just stamp. The king's stamp. And seal. That's all. Give your instruction and everything follows suit. Simple.
Well, if that is all that is needed, then why does the king need my mother to testify before I become the crown prince of this land? Tradition will always act as checks and balance before the king's seal and stamp. You can see, I do not have what you are looking for.
Royalties don't talk too much. You are still learning. Prepare for her burial. That is, if you see her cards.
You need something from me. Don't do something stupid.
You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the nobody can stop destiny. What?
Stop. Is this a setup? You want to kill me? Do you need to bring me to a private place before you do that? Huh? See, I know you serve the queen. You are very, very loyal to her. I shouldn't have done this in the first place, following you to this place. Like she will always say, that I can do anything, just anything, to risk my life and save the one I love. Am I just stupidly brave?
My prince, if you knew all of this, then why did you pay for my mother's treatment? Yes, you did your best to hide your identity. Somehow I found out. So why would you do something good for a man whose hands are stained with blood?
See, your hands stained with blood doesn't have anything to do with me, with my kind gesture. I realized the hospital expenses was so much for you. I had to come in. I have to save her. You know, I used to have a mother. She's late now. I knew the pain she passed through before she died. I didn't show my kind gesture because you have bloodstains all over you. I have conscience. She's a mother. I used to have one.
My prince, that is why I will be forever indebted to you. I want to serve you and the king and join forces with you to bring down the queen. The savage queen has spilled so much blood. We have to end this now. You need to hurry and save your friend. She will be here soon. Yes, just...
Samira! Samira! What? Samira? You okay?
What do we have here? Now relax, lover boy. How did you find this place? It doesn't matter. You made it easier for me to kill both of you. What are you waiting for?
No!
Hey! Hold on, please.
What is this? Wait. Please, do not wait. No, now, hold on. I have seen this mark somewhere. Hold on, please. Very long time ago.
No. It can't be. It can't be him!
You almost killed him. The evil in you will not allow you to recognize your own blood.
My love, please be patient with me. My father has threatened to haunt you and the baby if I didn't get married to a princess of a Chalo kingdom.
Then what is going to happen to me? Am I just going to be remembered as the maid you got pregnant and discarded her?
No. You're more than that to me. No. You're my first love and my last love. Getting married to the princess is a duty. Please, no, just stay at the house I prepared for you. Just have the baby there. I promise to take care of you and the baby.
My prince, I can't. I can't live like a prisoner. I deserve more. I deserve better.
And I will give you more. Just be patient with me till I become the king. I promise I will give you and our baby the respect you both deserve. Just wait and see. Okay? Just come.
My prince, I can't.
Please.
I can't do this. I can't live
Please.
this way.
My friend, please, I need your help. This is my first seed and cannot be abandoned. I mean, if I take him to the palace with me, my father will see this as my biggest failure and disappointment. I want your wife to help me raise him as your son. Show him love and care. No one, not even him, should know that I am his father. He must live like a commoner. That is the only way he will be safe.
Your Highness, are you sure? Cutting ties with your flesh and blood will not be that easy.
Knowing fully well that my child is in the hands of my friend and most trusted people is the only way I will be focused on duty. Please love him and raise him to be a strong and reliable man. I may need him one day, but not without your consent. This is a request from a friend to another, not a command from a royal prince.
You can always count on us. I will take good care of him as my son. If anybody asks me when my wife took in, I know what to tell them.
Thank you very much. I trust you.
You don't have my son? Is it possible? Precious Jesus. Hey! No, God! No, this is not true! This is the child we had! When I was a maid in the palace and you were still a prince then. The child I threw away a long time ago because I couldn't take care of him. Ah! Donald. Now I see. So this is the reason we are alike. We behave alike. The same mannerism. No, don't do it. No, not God. Jesus, help me, Lord. Jesus.
You? My mother? My bottom.
I know you are an ambitious fellow and I can do anything funny at any time. That was why I bet someone to follow you around. Yet you fall into the trap and cannot recognize your own blood.
And you wicked, your majesty. Look at my son. You wanted me to kill my son just like a total stranger. How could you gamble with the life of my son like that? Donna, let me touch you, please. Jesus.
Hello, DPO. Please come in with your boys. Yes. Son, I bless you as a father and also as a king. It shall be well with both of you. He said, the sun shall not smite you by the day, nor the moon by the night. Everything both of you lay your hands into shall prosper. He said, at this juncture, we need to start planning for a royal wedding. Samira shall be crowned the princess and the next queen of this kingdom. It is not easy to see a selfless woman who is ready to sacrifice her life for the man she loves. You are very lucky to find a lady in that capacity.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. Thank you so much for your kind words. I promise not to disappoint. Thank you.
So, was I too harsh to punish your pet mother? Or you think I should have been lenient?
Your Majesty, your words remain supreme. The judgment is final. What she did deserves death, but in your mercy you allow her to go freely with her life. That alone I appreciate. So like I said earlier, your judgment is supreme.
Thanks for your understanding.
Moro.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, my Majesty.
Greetings.
More, thank you. Prince Steve asked me to deliver this to you.
Prince Steve?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Collect it. Steve is alive?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Steve?
Yes, Your Majesty. I was the one the Queen commanded to kill him. Prince Steve saved my life a long time ago from an angry mob when I went to steal bread for my little sister. If it wasn't for him, I would be dead. So when the former kingmaker employed me to serve the Queen and Prince Steve was our target, I decided to repay the debt, one life for another. I faked his death and exploded his car for witnesses to see. So while everyone was busy thinking that Prince Steve was dead, I helped him escape the kingdom and out of the country. Your Majesty, sorry for keeping this secret away from you, but Prince Steve asked me not to tell anyone. Punish me if you must.
No, I will not punish you because of your good heart. Ordinarily, I should have bring in the police to hand you over to them. Next time, refrain bad ways.
Yes, Your Majesty.
We need to talk. Yes, talk.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty. I appreciate your kind gesture. Thank you.
No one can stop what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop destiny. You can fight, but you will not survive. What you don't know